Hi! Today, let's create different units of measurement. Head on to Settings and choose Units of Measurement under Inventory. Click New Units of Measurement. Type in the unit name needed. Take note that you should start with the smallest unit in order to group them. Add the abbreviation, and should you need to track decimals, just tick this box. Then start grouping. Let's say you order boxes of your product. Here, you can now specify how many pieces are expected within the box. Another sample would be by pack. Just enter how many items or pieces are included. And there you have it! You can now click Save if you're all set. The system will allow you to order in bulk, such as boxes or packs, then receive or sell in pieces, making your transactions and tracking more flexible. Thank you for watching!